Rebel Wilson is Fat Amy no more. Yes, you've heard it right. Rebel Wilson has the most shocking weight loss transformation in Hollywood. How did she lose an astonishing 80 pounds? Stay tuned as we dive into her stunning weight loss journey. Welcome to the Fabulous Body Mind channel, where we dive deep into the hottest celebrity weight loss trends and transformations. Today, we're diving into Rebel Wilson's incredible weight loss journey. From her initial health goals to her stunning 80-pound transformation, Rebel's story is truly inspiring. Let's uncover the secrets behind her impressive change.
The goal was never to be skinny. It was never to fit into a certain dress size. I put a goal weight on there because, I needed some tangible thing. But I am really glad that I did it because I think it was time. I'd been overweight for about 20 years.
Rebel Wilson, known for her comedic roles and infectious personality, made headlines with her amazing weight loss. Her journey began with a powerful decision. 2020 was going to be her year of health. But what led to this transformation? Let's break it down. Secret number 1. Focus on improving health. It all started with a candid chat with her doctor, who advised Rebel to focus on improving her health to boost her fertility. This was the spark she needed to commit to a healthier lifestyle. Secret number 2. Balanced diet. Rebel embraced a balanced eating plan, focusing on whole foods and cutting back on processed sugars and carbs. Her meals were packed with lean proteins, veggies, and healthy fats, providing her with the nutrients she needed to fuel her transformation. Secret number 3. Regular exercise. Rebel incorporated a mix of workouts into her routine. From daily walks and cardio sessions to strength training, she made sure to stay active and consistent. Even a bit of dancing made its way into her regimen, because who doesn't love a good dance break? Secret number 4. Wellness and self-care. Rebel didn't just focus on physical health. She also prioritized her mental well-being. Embracing practices like mindfulness and ensuring she got enough rest helped her stay motivated and balanced. And let's not forget the power of a positive mindset. Rebel's determination and focus on her health goals played a huge role in her success. She faced challenges head-on and celebrated each milestone along the way. Rebel Wilson's transformation is a testament to the power of dedication and self-love. From making health a priority to embracing a balanced lifestyle, her journey shows that with the right mindset and commitment, incredible changes are possible. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to others who might benefit. Together, we can transform life. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.